Okay, this video is going to tell you everything you need to know about the luggage tags. When do you get to print them? Where do you go to print them? What do you do with them? Are they needed? How do you fold them? Do you need luggage tags? Everything you need to know is right here in this short little video, so let's go. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that you can get your cruise documentation about 30 to 45 days prior to the cruise. You go to Cruise Planner on a computer. You can do it on the phone, but you have to go to www.rccl.com. But you log into your account, you can go manage my cruise, go to a Cruise Planner, and you pull up your cruise, and if it's within 30 to 45 days, you will see the cruise documentation, and that's where you can get your luggage tags. Typically, you get an email that says your cruise documentation is available. So that's step one. Okay, so once you log into the Cruise Planner, it pulls up your cruises. You go over here to the first one you want to pick. You click View More Details, and right there it says View and Print Your Luggage. View and print your documents. So you can do the documents or just right to the luggage tags. So if you click luggage tags, it pulls up your luggage tags, and then you can just go right to the print up here and print it. So that's where you print your luggage tags. Okay, so now that you've printed your luggage tag from the computer, as we showed you, the luggage tag does not have to be printed in color. It could be black and white, but you fold it. It says fold, don't cut. Very easy to fold. And you have two options. You can slide this through the luggage handle and staple it, and that's all you need to do. However, a better option would be to use the luggage tag holders, and these are the ones that I like to use, and the link is in the description, so you can purchase these on Amazon.com. So you don't have to worry about these falling off, because if you staple them, you have a chance they could fall off. So you don't want to lose your luggage tag. You use one of these, and so once you fold it up and put it in the holder, this is what it ends up looking like. So this is the best option for your luggage tags. Once again, you get them 30 to 45 days off Cruise Planner, and make sure you have your set sail pass. You don't have to print it. It can stay on your phone, and this is what you need to get on board. So that's all you need to know about the luggage tags. And once again, get these on the description below and use these for your luggage tags. Thanks for watching. Alright, this video is going to tell you everything you know. Alright, this video is going to tell you everything you know.